We're gonna get gas anyway. We want that Supreme leader, North Korea. We got some fuel. That's good. All right, we're all nice and full up on that fuel. Drink it, bikey. The one time I actually dropped my bike, embarrassing as it is, I was pulling out of a driveway like that, and I actually ended up just stalling the bike, and it ended up leaning over, and I just couldn't catch it. You know, the bike weighs 300 something pounds, and it had gone over, you know, far enough to where it was like, man, I can't grab it. I kind of just let her down nice and easy as I could. Ended up snapping off the end of my OEM lever, and then I got some scratches on the side of the bike. Some, you know, real minor stuff, nothing that even really, you know, a little bit of paint scratched off the fairing, and a little bit on the case, but now we're into the wind. Here we go. Probably my microphone sounds like, you know, garbage, but that's all right. It won't be like this forever. What the hell is this person doing? What the f***? Oh, that one's chilling. He's chilling, laying down. My favorite little goat farm. Oh, he's pulling over for me. Thanks, bud. I appreciate it. Oh, little babies. Look at the little babies. Hey, I'm planning a trip to the top of that mountain with me and my buddy. We're actually going to take two 125 Chinese pit bikes. We're going to ride from the very bottom all the way to the top and back down. I don't know. We're going to see if we can make it. I got to bring extra fuel, tools, food, medical stuff in case something crazy happens, but he's got a 110 and I got a 125. So we're going to see if we can ride them all the way up that thing, you know, really push these little Chinese bikes and see what they can do. You know, so many people talk shit about them, but man, they're really not bad. I've had a super good experience with mine. I've abused the thing and it just refuses to quit running, you know. And I've crashed it, done wheelies, you know, all kinds of stuff, and it just, man, it runs good. So we're gonna see what we can do as far as taking them up that mountain, and it should be cool. I gotta wait for the snow to melt, so we got a little while, but I figured that'd be some cool footage, you know. Oh boy, getting sketchy with wheelies. I'm not very good at them, but hey, I'm trying to learn, man. Oh, that dude didn't have a helmet on. What the hell are you doing, man? That fool did not have a helmet on. He just was like, man, you know what? I think when I leave my house today, I want to see if I can just die. That'd be cool. You know what I mean? I mean, you might as well just take your luck and just like jump off a building. I don't know what the you got guys that wear full gear that still get in accidents and die. So, I mean, shit, it's up to him if he wants to, you know, take the chance of not wearing a helmet, whatever. Oh, this is a really tight one. I'm glad there's not much gravel out here. Most of the time you hit these back twisty roads, you know, most people's driveways are gravel, and all that gravel gets kicked out onto the road, not to mention, you know, during the winter, and they put stuff on the road, and you come around these corners and a lot of times there's tons of gravel. When you're trying to lean over, it's just, man, it'll get you quick. You won't even notice because it blends in with the road, and man, you'll come around a corner and just your back end just comes out, and it's, oh my, it's scary. Well, I haven't gone down from that, you know, but I've definitely had some close calls where I'll come around a corner and there's a bunch of gravel and you feel your back end come out and you're just like, oh shoot. You get that terrible feeling of like, man, I'm gonna go down. It's,
honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
I found the coolest road ever. Oh, I'm stoked on it right now.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
This is nuts,
Honey, I'm a
dude.
perfect 10.
This is so cool.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain fate.
Oh, I almost fell. You know what? I almost fell. That was not good.
You know we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated. It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down for a minute
So
and pretend.
I'm just here checking out the stream. This is crazy. I wonder if this is like this all year round, or if it's only when you know, the runoff from the mountains, the snow's all melting. I wonder if this like dries up during the summer. People see a random bike out there, they're probably like, what the hell? My ass is gonna fall in here. Oh. Wow. Man, that's a big ass tree. Oh, someone cut that too. It didn't fall over. Someone cut that damn thing. What? This is incredible. Huh. Good thing I'm covered pretty much head to toe. Get some freaking poison ivy out here or something. I gotta, and I can't. I got too much gear on. We'll keep going. I'll just keep going. Alright, back on the bike. I got distracted. This is why I want to get a dual sport. Not that I'm going to ride through this, because that's kind of gnarly, but I mean, if you're skilled enough, shit, you could. But this is the type of stuff you can go do and not leave your pretty little sport bike up here on the side of the road. That's awesome. All right. Okay. I just got a bug in the eye. Don't do that. I keep my damn visor closed. What a perfect Sunday, man. This is awesome. Plumber's that way, Coeur d'Alene's the other way. Let's check it out then.